Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer and I like to do cookie decorating, cake decorating, DIY crafts, and more. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you my American buttercream recipe. Super simple. All it calls for is butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and whipping cream. You can make this in less than 10 minutes. You just want to make sure you bring your butter to room temperature and have it nice and soft. Here are the ingredients I use. I use powdered sugar, whipping cream, vanilla extract, unsalted or salted butter. Now, as I mentioned before, you want to make sure your icing is nice and soft. I'm doubling up this recipe because I know I'm going to be using a lot of icing to fill my cake and ice it on the outside and do piping decorations. And it's important for your butter to cream well, because if not, you'll get like little slabs of butter, and then when you go to ice your cake, you'll be able to see them because they didn't really soften and cream well. And you just scrape down the sides of your bowl really well to get that butter all from around the sides. I'm putting in half of my powdered sugar and I'm letting that cream with the butter, and then I'll add my other half. Then I'm going to add in my whipping cream. Also, if you need a vanilla cake from scratch video, go ahead on and check it out. I have it linked above. And you want to mix your icing up. You want it to be nice and creamy. You can also add powdered sugar if you feel like it's just too loose, and you can add whipping cream or almond milk if you feel like it's too stiff. I forgot to show me putting in my vanilla extract, but you can put that in at any point. You can put any flavor you want, almond if you want. You can put in vanilla bean paste if you would like as well. So after I added my whipping cream and I let it mix, I'm going to add in the other half of my powdered sugar. So this is how your icing is going to look at the end. If this video was helpful to you, please comment icing in the comments. Go ahead on, hit the like button on this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel because it is free to do, and I absolutely appreciate each and every one of you who subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.